this is pretty much the home screen. And you just pretty much go through a setup process of this Frank application here. I'm going to show you how to use it. We'll ask you to grant permissions and so forth. You can just grant permissions later, but if you're going to use any one of these, you're going to need to grant permissions. So here you have a lot of games which you can play with this application here. All of them are very easy to use. You can see here the word, the C word, can tap on the C word option here, and we're going to need to allow these options here and then tap on continue. And once you've done that, you'll be able to pretty much go ahead and say start recording, tap on this here and start recording. Once you've done that, you also go ahead and start seeing the words. So that's really pretty much it for the application. You have other things which you can do as well. You can use this similar setup. Will be able to show your face and so forth. So nothing much for that. You have the vertical option here which you can use as well. And also you can see other videos that have gone viral. I have an option down here. And as well, you can see the videos that you have created on this application by in shots section here. Videos or photos that you have created using this application here. But you can see how other people have used the application and how you should pretty much use it to get the results. So if I tap on this one here, the you can see here, this is pretty much the fall, I would say the falling filter, which you can use. As you can see here, that's pretty much how they use it. And yeah, that's how simple it is to use. So if I miss anything at all in this video, please comment below. See you in the next one.